Welcome back to day 14. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. Don't let your music start and stop suddenly. A smooth audio fade is a professional touch that's incredibly easy to do in Final Cut Pro. I'll show you how in less than 3 minutes. Final Cut Pro has built-in fade handles that make this super easy. Move your cursor over the audio clip. Do you see this small teardrop-shaped icon that appears in the top left corner of the clip? That's the fade and handle. Just click on that handle and drag it to the right. You'll see a line appear, showing you the duration of the fade. Now your audio will gradually fade in from silence. It's the exact same process at the end of the clip. Find the fade handle in the top right corner and drag it to the left to create a smooth fade out. You can use these handles on any audio clip, whether it's music, sound effects, or the audio attached to your video, to create polished and professional sounding edits. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 15.